good.
All right, we're gonna videotape the ceiling light trim. It's gonna go right there. It's a 3-piece set, so you're gonna clean off the spot with rubbing alcohol to get rid of the dust and debris. And then you're gonna put some adhesion promoter on there to make the surface extra tacky. And the next step, so the next step is to remove the double-sided tape cover of the tape to expose the adhesion. All right, so once you have that off, then you just hold it up over, make sure you have it in the right direction, and press. Go. And then you go ahead and do the same thing for the center, and oh, maybe you don't have a back. And that is what it looks like installed. And this is a 2-door, so this is a 3-piece set, but with a 2-door you only need 2 pieces.